and welcome to ARC 24/7 Noida. I am Nandini Singh and we are present here for the 17th Global Film Festival. And guess what? We have with us Jaswinder Gardner ma'am. Ma'am, we welcome you.
Thank you.
It's so nice to have you here.
Thank you.
Ma'am, my first question to you would be, you see so many youngsters in our college right now.
Yeah.
And you have been in film industry for so long. Ma'am, we have the cinema course in our college. So ma'am, what is the quickie advice for the students to grow in this field?
See, the best advice I would like to give to all the students is that perseverance. In this field, as it's a very uncertain kind of profession where you don't know when you have work and when you don't have work. There's no certainty. But you're passionate about this field, passionate about the craft, that's why you are here. And if you're so passionate about your work, definitely I think it's going to bear fruit. मेहनत करते रहो, वही संदीप जी भी बोलते हैं, मेहनत करते रहो, फल की चिंता मत करो. जैसे हमने सुना है हजारों सालों से यही बात बोली जाती रही है कि आप मेहनत करते रहिए. अगर आप पैशनेट हो अपने काम को लेकर तो उसका रंग जरूर करता है. आपको अपॉर्चुनिटीज भी अपने आप अट्रैक्ट होंगी, लेकिन अपने काम में आप कॉम्प्रोमाइज मत कीजिए. स्किल सेट पे हमेशा काम कीजिए, बिकॉज जितना आप अच्छे होते जाएंगे अपने स्किल सेट में. सी मे बी यू आर नॉट गोइंग टू वर्क फॉर 1 year 2 year. Even if you start trying, maybe you will not get even your first break, a small break also you might not get up for 1 year 2 years. But then what do? That waiting period is very important. And even if you get work, even a lot of big actors who get work, but they still have to wait for the next break for a very long time. So that waiting period is very important. So what you do in that waiting period, either you can complain, you can, you get demotivated. Of course it's demotivating because you want to work, and suppose you're fully dependent on this, your bread and butter comes from this industry, this work. So then what do? So one thing is very important, you work on your craft, and second thing is very important that you make sure that you have some source of income coming, so that you can work on your craft. So it is all interrelated. So either you do something on the side which is generating a certain kind of income, and now social media being so prominent, and yes, so you can also start creating your social media presence and start creating content, because then this will be interrelated. Okay, you're not going away from your basic profession. So as an actor, you create something which is more authentic, sensible, which will be meaningful. So that way, then you will start getting a lot of collaborations, paid collaborations. So your income is, you're getting a source of income that will be also, taken care of. Then secondly, then you can also then spare some time, and you have a lot of time, actually not some, but because you're not working, you have a lot of time. So instead of brooding and complaining and being with people who are also brooding and who are complaining and making you feel negative, it's better you go out, utilize that time in probably learning a new skill, or honing your craft, probably taking up some other workshops. You could learn dancing, you could take acting workshops, you can learn different things, maybe if you want to learn some martial art or something related. So these kind of things you can do.
Oh, very well answered. But in this answer only you mentioned about social media. As we all know, social media is booming these days. And you said that it's very important to create good content. Ma'am, but there is I would say, contradictory things happening on social media, that people are getting famous by luck. They are not filming anything very extraordinary or very much, they are not creating a very good content. Still they are getting so many views, they are being famous. So what do you have to say about those people or the viewers who like them?
See, the thing is that you cannot control the viewers, you cannot control audience, you can control yourself and what you believe in. That makes you stand apart. As you rightly said, luck is a major factor, it's in the film industry also. Sometimes you're so lucky you become famous in one film, then you are busy for another 10 years, 5 years. You become like top league actress in a year's time. Whereas there would be another actress who is very beautiful, very hardworking, who's very sincere, focused. Yet she's finding it so difficult, or he or she, whatever, finding it difficult to get one break. Like Irfan Khan, he got his lead role in a very like later stage of his life, like when he was in his 40s. There was on the other hand Shah Rukh Khan.
Yes.
From TV he became so famous. So luck plays a huge factor because Shah Rukh Khan खुद बोलते हैं कि I am not a very great actor, but I consider myself the best. I always feel that I am the best because he believes in what he does. So that is very important, that you believe in what you do. I'll tell you what plays a very vital role is your mindset again. Why I would say that? Because if you believe in yourself, even if you are little less talent, you are more attractive. And whereas somebody who is very talented, who works very hard and yet he doubts himself or herself, they are less attractive to the audience.
I get it.
That's the thing.
Not taking you much time, I would like to sum up with the last question. Which is your all-time favorite film? You can watch anytime, anywhere, doing anything.
Dilwale Dulhania.
Lovely.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for your time.
Pleasures.
For more such videos, keep watching R24/7 Noida.